I say Mojo, but people have said it's Mojo.
Who-ho?
Okay, so to keep it simple, let's start with the jalapeno. Next will be our lime juice. We're also going to put some white vinegar in. And I know you're super anxious about that potent minced garlic.
Oh, baby.
It's fresh. And then we're gonna put in orange juice in there. And your favorite part, we gotta cut some cilantro.
So I'm gonna rip it off.
Good job.
Okay.
All right, roll it on up.
Okay, roll it.
So we're gonna keep that knife down and you're just gonna give it a nice rough chop. And I'm just gonna finish it off with some fresh pepper. And then we're gonna get some generous portion of kosher salt. Mix everything together. Guess what you just made? Marinade for
It's my
carne.
first marinade.
I know. I am so proud of you. All you need to do is you'll take that meat out. You're gonna pour it in the bag.
Okay.
Give it a quick little massage and you're gonna marinate it for about 2 hours or so. You got this, you did it, and guess what?
What?
You did it from scratch.